Ever wondered if your shiny, app-based bank account is as safe as it looks? I mean, we're all drawn to the sleek interfaces, the promises of no fees, and the instant access. But what about the risks? Today, we're diving deep into the world of neobanks, specifically focusing on the potential pitfalls that might be lurking beneath that user-friendly surface. Neobanks, or digital banks, have exploded in popularity. They're disrupting traditional banking with their tech-first approach. But that very technology, while convenient, introduces a whole new set of considerations. Let's start with the big one: security. Unlike traditional banks with physical branches and established security protocols, neobanks rely heavily on digital infrastructure. This means they're prime targets for cyberattacks. Data breaches, phishing scams, and even sophisticated hacking attempts can put your personal and financial information at risk. While many neobanks employ advanced encryption and security measures, the sheer volume of online transactions and data stored digitally creates a vulnerable landscape. Then there's the question of regulation and deposit insurance. While many neobanks partner with established banks to offer FDIC or similar deposit insurance, ensuring your money is protected up to a certain limit, some may operate with different regulatory frameworks, or even none at all. It's crucial to understand the specific protections offered by your neobank. Does it fall under the same regulatory umbrella as traditional institutions? What happens if the neobank fails? These are vital questions to ask. Another significant risk is the lack of physical presence. While some might see this as a benefit, it can become a major drawback when you need personalized assistance or have complex issues to resolve. Customer service is primarily online, through chatbots or email. While this can be efficient for simple queries, it can be frustrating when dealing with more intricate problems. Imagine trying to resolve a fraudulent transaction or a blocked account solely through an app or email. The lack of a physical branch can lead to delays and added stress. We also need to consider the volatility of the fintech sector. Neobanks, being relatively new players, are subject to the ups and downs of the tech industry. Funding issues, market fluctuations, and even sudden shutdowns can impact their stability. What happens to your money if your neobank suddenly closes its doors? While deposit insurance can offer some protection, navigating the process can be challenging. Furthermore, the reliance on third-party integrations can introduce additional risks. Many neobanks integrate with other fintech services for features like budgeting, investing, or international transfers. This creates a chain of dependencies where a security breach or service disruption at one partner can impact the entire ecosystem. And let's not forget the potential for hidden fees. While neobanks often advertise lower fees than traditional banks, it's essential to read the fine print. Some may charge fees for specific transactions, international transfers, or even inactivity. Understanding the fee structure is crucial to avoid unexpected costs. Finally, the novelty of the technology itself presents a risk. Because neobanks operate using cutting-edge tech, there are always chances for glitches, bugs, and unforeseen technical problems that could temporarily or even permanently impact your access to your funds. So, are neobanks inherently dangerous? Not necessarily. But it's essential to be aware of the risks and take steps to mitigate them. Do your research, understand the security measures, and ensure your deposits are protected. Don't put all your eggs in one digital basket. Diversify your financial holdings and keep a close eye on your accounts. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.